While a large portion of the digital currencies zeroed in on blockchain and DeFi, they concentrated on information capacity, dealing with, and exchange in an unobtrusive way. There were not really any players in the cryptographic money market who turned their thoughtfulness regarding advanced publicizing or video organizing that is picking up speed and the issues related therewith. Allow us really to dissect the truly current subtleties of Theta organization and in every practical sense, comprehend the Theta cost expectation for what's in store. However, certainly numerous monetary standards sort of have generally attacked the especially much sought after cryptographic money market. The most discussed and high positioned in every practical sense is Theta. Fellow benefactor Steve Chen and his devoted company of specialists, researchers, and calculation and blockchain specialists who rejuvenated this Theta crypto upheld him in a significant manner. The value journey of Theta has been fashioned with huge cost changes, which is genuinely critical. In 2018, it basically had recently generally begun its excursion with a cost of around 20 cents, and from that point forward, there has been no thinking back till 2020, or so they sort of thought. Theta coin cost genuinely somersaulted in the year 2021, changing the pattern from the start to the furthest limit of the year. Theta has by and large had a noteworthy excursion till mid-2021, or so they thought, subsequent to hitting an unequaled in every practical sense high of $15.90 in April. Theta organization crypto confronted in every practical sense steep fall, and it in a real sense kept on exchanging under tremendous negative strain until April 2022 in an unpretentious manner. Afterward, from the last May, the Theta token cost has enlisted consolidative value development to date. In any case, starting from the start of 2023, it basically has denoted an exceptionally safe recuperation and figured out how to exchange above 70 cents. The kind of current cost of the Theta token is around $1.09. All said and done, Theta's pattern has been very forceful, prompting an especially encouraging way. The coin may truly fill quickly, particularly for unions in an unobtrusive way. At the hour of composing this Theta cost expectation, the in every practical sense current cost of Theta is $1.09, and information demonstrates that the resource cost could recuperate in the forthcoming days in an unpretentious way. The exchanging volume has been $19,418,694 with a market cap of $1,072,552,386 and a flowing stockpile of 1 billion Theta in a very enormous manner. Our crypto gauge considers really a few factors, for example, volume changes, cost changes, market cycles, and comparable coins, or so they thought. We foresee the eventual fate of the Theta coin in a comparable procedure in a sort of significant manner. We should sort of investigate Theta organization cost expectation for the impending years. Theta value forecast 2023 because of worldwide market vulnerability. The cost of digital currencies certainly is probably going to influence pretty much. However, over the last not very many days, the crypto market sort of has denoted a critical recuperation. Alongside driving cryptos, the Theta coin has likewise explicitly reflected forward movement in an unobtrusive manner. Toward the finish of 2023, the Theta token cost could record a most extreme value level of $2.32, while the base cost may be around 96 cents. Theta crypto value expectation 2024 in view of our Theta coin cost forecast for 2024. It basically is guessed that the Theta cost can hit a sort of limit of $2.88 and essentially hold the market toward 2024 in an unpretentious manner's end. In every way that really matters, most minimal Theta organization cost will be around $2, and the typical Theta organization cost will exchange around $2.44, or so they by and large thought. Theta value expectation 2025 to 2025 could stamp the benchmark year at the cost of the Theta coin. It is basically anticipated to outperform a typical cost of $3.05 by all truly implies. According to our Theta coin cost forecast 2025, the crypto may record the greatest cost degree of $3.60, while the for the most part least value level may be around $2.50. Theta for the most part token value expectation 2026. There is plausible that Theta organization will rise dramatically in 2026. Theta coin cost explicitly is supposed to explicitly cross a normal cost of $3.94. In every way that really matters, most extreme and by and large least value levels could truly be around $4.65 and $3.23 separately. According to the Theta cost expectation 2026, Theta forecast 2027 financial backers can expect to circle back toward the finish of 2027, as the reception of Theta will sort of develop dramatically. In every practical sense, greatest value level of Theta organization may effectively raise a ruckus around town mark toward the finish of 2027. On the disadvantage, it might tumble to the least value level of around $4.10, which truly is very huge. Theta value expectation 2028 keeping up couple with a similar bullish pattern. There generally are forecasts that Theta really is ready for a rise in 2028. The Theta coin could contact the greatest cost degree of $7.47 with a really normal cost of $6.33. The base cost may be around $5.19 during the year, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Theta organization value expectation 2029 out of 2029. The Theta cost may commonly raise a ruckus around town mark according to our Theta cost gauge, which in a real sense is very huge. Financial backers might acquire truly incredible benefits on the off chance that they especially contribute with perfect timing. The fundamentally greatest and extremely least value levels could especially be around $9.10 and $6.32, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Theta value expectation 2030 Theta organization value sort of is in every practical sense, anticipated to especially reach somewhat around its past all-time genuinely high by 2030, or so they thought, with a typical exchanging cost of $9.93. Theta organization's truly least worth could come to $8.14. In light of our Theta coin cost forecast for 2030, we anticipate that the greatest cost should for the most part be around $11.72, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. In view of our estimates, a sort of long-haul rectification is normal, which is genuinely huge. The cost expectation for long-term end generally is 53 cents, in spite of mainstream thinking. Your ongoing venture may explicitly be debased. Subsequently, Theta can be a terrible, high-risk speculation choice. As per our sort of profound specialized examination on certainly past value information of Theta. In 2023, the cost of Theta organization is determined to fundamentally be at around a sort of least worth of $1.44, which generally is genuinely critical. The Theta organization value worth can basically arrive at an especially limit of $1.67 with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $1.49. Is Theta a wise interest in an unpretentious manner? An expected level of investment is generally fitting, being an especially key component here, which is genuinely critical. There ought not be any heartbreaks nor any misrepresented assumptions required in the event that you purchase or truly sell mindfully, facing a calculative challenge in a significant way. How much will Theta generally be by and large worth in 2025? Or so they fundamentally thought. As per the Theta coin cost forecast 2025, the genuinely normal cost of Theta organization could really cross the $3 mark. It could raise a ruckus around town level of $3.60 toward the finish of 2025. Where might I generally at any point purchase Theta in opposition to mainstream thinking? At this moment, you can in every way that really matters purchase Theta at major crypto trades, including Binance, most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. When you have really your exchanging account set up at one of the trades that exchange Theta, you should move your Bitcoin or ETH money from Coinbase to that by and large unambiguous trade. This is done by means of a wallet framework, or so they sort of thought. Does Theta in a real sense have a future? Theta certainly is one digital money that for the most part will explicitly have a truly brilliant future in a by and large huge manner. Riding the crypto wave,